everyone, today I'm gonna try to tone my hair with some Wella toner. If you are new in my channel, I usually love to do my toner myself. I actually use like mani padi as some conditioner most of the time. Sometimes I try like a different hair dye mixed with some conditioner. I always like put some blue and sometimes mix it with purple because most of the time my hair is more orange than yellow. As you can see today, it is more orange than yellow. I don't know if you can tell. It is really brassy and I can't wait to try the toner. I used to put Wella toner way back, like in the days before I discovered how to really do a toner that like works better for my hair. So I'm gonna say I have no idea what result I'm gonna have. If I remember, I used to put like the Wella t18 and another one, but I don't remember which one. I think it was a t27, but I'm not sure. And one thing I'm gonna say is back in the day when I used to put the Wella, like I didn't really knew like t18 was for really bleach yellow, like a blonde to be able to tone it with t18. I just want to say that because before like you watch this video and do the same thing, if you want to try the same thing than me, you have to know first, I am not a professional hairdresser. I just try things on my hair, and if it doesn't work, I don't really mind because it's my hair. I'm used to do it. And second, the Wella toner, how it works, usually the T18, you have to have, like, you have to bleach your hair really light, like lighter than like the most light part of my hair. Like I think this is a light, I think this is the one that is the lightest on my hair, but it has to be even more like blonde than that, like a yellow blonde to make it work, to make sure that the toner work. However, I know that the T18, if I'm not wrong, the base it's like purple and blue, so I still decided to try it and mix it with like the T27. Also the T27, you have to make sure you're like you bleach your hair really light, so don't do like me. Well, if it works you can try, but I'm really just trying today and see if I can like tone my hair with the Wella as I used to do back in the day. I'm gonna put more of the T27 and just like a little bit of T18 because some part of my hair it's more yellow and I want to see if it's gonna be able to tone it down like a little bit more ashy. This one is ashy and this one is just like a blonde beige, medium beige blonde. So we will see. You have to mix it with a developer. In the bottle they told you to mix it with a 20 developer. I'm gonna use a 20 developer. Something you have to be careful if you're gonna use the Wella, because I did it in the past. I did the mistake. Because it is a 20 developer, if you put it at your roots, it's gonna lift up the color, okay? So it might change it like orange, like a kind of like a brown, and I don't want this. I just want to tone like all of the part that is kind of like the blonde, honey blonde. So you're gonna see when I'm gonna apply this, I really gotta be careful and not put it too like high and on my roots. My hair, it's brassy, but it's not the worst. Like I had worse than that before. So this is pretty much the real color, I think. I'm trying to see if I play with the light. Can you see more? So this is the real color right now that is showing on camera. Yellow and orange. especially this part is just orange and yellow. Oh, and also you have to put it on damp hair. So I'm just gonna like rinse my hair and towel dry it. So I just wet my hair. It's kind of like did rinse the gel that I had for like 6 days. I didn't put anything, conditioner, shampoo, just rinse it, and I can feel like it reactivate the gel a little bit at the root. But the most part of my hair that I know I'm going to put the toner, it's like towel dry and doesn't really have some product. Yeah, it doesn't feel like I have some product in it. So this is the best way that I'm going to be able to mix everything and kind of show you what I'm doing. So I have this. I'm going to use T27, the bottle, to measure my developer also. So I'm just going to put my gloves and, well, the other one. And I'm going to start to just mix this. This is the T27. Put it T27 there. And I'm going to use the bottle. Whoop, that's okay. I'm going to put 2 bottles of the T27 like this to know that, because it's 1 part of developer, no, 1 part of the Wella toner for 2 parts of the developer. So open the t18 and I'm gonna put half of it. So since I'm putting half of it, I'm gonna have to use another bottle of like developer of like measuring in the Wella. I hope that makes sense. And I totally forgot, but this smells strong. You know you are putting some chemical on your hair. So of course toner is not as damaging than like a hair dye or like bleach, but it's still chemical. Okay, so this is good enough. It is 9:16 and I'm gonna apply this to my hair and leave it for like 20 minutes to half an hour. I'm gonna open the door because it smells bad. So I'm gonna start in the front, like all this part, but I'm just gonna do some section because it's better. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna be generous and just apply it on my hands. Oh yeah, I forgot how bad this smells. I totally forgot. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure everywhere it's saturated with the toner. Now it's starting to be a little bit more purple. Like I don't know if you can tell, it's turning a little bit more like lavender. And I think it's been already 16 minutes that I've been. Can you tell it's toning it? Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and by the time like I get in the shower, it's gonna take me at least 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna go now and rinse it. I just finished to wash my hair. I didn't see my hair yet. I washed my hair, put a treatment of like the Olaplex number 8. I have to say it did dry my hair a lot. Well, a lot. It dried my hair, and then I put the number 8 and it was enough to just like help with the dryness. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't think it works, guys. Well, one thing I'm gonna say, it's not orange. Well, it doesn't look orange for me. But I feel like it's still a little bit brassy. Yeah, but again, when it is like wet, it's not really the real result. So I'm gonna do my wash and go, and then when it's dry, I'm gonna show you. Oh wait, okay, this part looked like it's not yellow. I don't see orange. I don't think it is orange. But I'm going to use Olaplex number 6. I'm going to put a gel, the Eco Solid Gel. So I'm just going to go wash my wash and go, and I'll come back since, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing that I do every time. Okay, I'm in the front of my hair, and I'm doing my wash and go the same way that I'm usually doing it. And I can see that actually the toner works. My hair is not yellow at all. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Even like the part that was orange, they are not orange at all. Of course, it is still like really damp, so the color looks a little bit darker than when it's dry. But I'm really happy because I can tell that it's not going to be yellow. Can you tell? And I don't see any different with the curls. The only thing is it was really dry when I was in the shower, but I put again Olaplex treatment, and I put Olaplex number 6, so I feel like it was enough to just moisturize my hair. But look at that, guys. That is not yellow. Yay! I'm done, and again I can see it is not brassy anymore. I'm really happy, but I'm excited to see what it looks like once it's really dry, what is like the real final result. Because for now, because of like the cream and the gel, I'm not really able to see what it looks like, but I know it's not yellow and it's not orange, which is the goal of a toner. This is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna let it air dry overnight. I'm gonna come tomorrow morning. Of course, it's still not gonna be dry, but this is the next morning. My hair is still really wet because it doesn't really dry overnight when I have them in a bun. But as you can see, it's not brassy at all. I love what it looks like so far, but we're gonna see later. Okay, this is the end of the day. My hair is 100% dry. I am really happy with the result. I don't know if you can see, but it is not yellow or orange at all. I'm gonna try to play with the light. It's hashy, and yeah, it's not brassy at all. And again, it's always complicated to show you the real color because the lighting is not like the best, but I think this is pretty much what it really looks like. Okay, so my review of using Wella 18 and T27 for like kind of orange and yellow hair, it would be that it works. However, as you can see, I still have some part that it's not brassy, but you can see that it's, yeah, it could be a little bit better. Like this one, it's a little bit, just a little bit orange. But honestly, guys, I think it did kind of like the same thing than when I use my own toner. This is pretty much it, guys. I'm really happy I tried the Wella toner again. However, I feel like I might just use my own toner when I want to tone my hair again, because one, well, it is less chemical, the smell it's better, and two, because I feel like I have a little bit more control with putting a little bit more blue or purple depending of like the part of my hair that I want to tone. But I'm still really happy with this result. Again, it might not be the best toner If you have orange and like a yellow that's a little bit more like darker, because your hair should be really like yellow, light yellow, to make sure that you use this product how you're supposed to. But as you can see, it's still like tone my hair, and I'm happy with the result. But yeah, let me know if you can see the difference. Again, the lighting, it's probably not the best, but if you can, comment down below. And if you try some Wella toner, or you know what number might works better for my hair, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Bonne journée.